Leading Schools in Disruptive Times, Chapter 5 elaborates on the changes in our education system and how the leading factors of accountability has been the basis. The past decades, we have been introduced to acronym after acronym. Call it what you may, but this is the next warped sense of accountability rather than focusing on what the true goal of education should be, which is growth. Constant change has led to an effect on educators and emphasis and been placed on test scores. An aha moment is when tracking our students' data and focusing on individual growth that is progressing through the year. The confidence and rapport between teacher and student is built between the teaching and is more prescribed to their need. When the student can identify their weakness and understand the plan to surpass it, the level of accountability is within the individual. When the pressure of passing the test is taken away, students and teachers have the freedom to teach and learn to keep up with the global change. Chapter 6 distinguishes the differences in generations and how they have brought on different views and needs. The generational disruptions have the doom of technology and the attention span if us as educators and parents don't stabilize the proper use and security when using it. Technology has engaged our generation X, Y, and Z with immediate feedback and response, with the use of social media and interaction. These digital natives spend hours behind the screen without hesitation. It has become a custom for them to want to search and surf sites before picking up a book. It is an aha moment for all in education to have the implemented learning styles by using digital tools. School leaders, educators, and parents need to support the concept of 21st century learning. These generations and others to come are only going to be moving and expecting fast-paced, immediate gratification to response in our classrooms. Chapter 7 is alerting us that it is important that our education system continuously stay on top of the global learning and technology. Teachers need to keep up with what our students' needs are to be prepared not only for the day they graduate but for the future. Public schools need to stay more competitive to educate our students to be more world-grounded in understanding diverse cultures, communication, and safety of technology. Insight to this is for teachers to keep up with to run a 21st century learning classroom. Teachers also need to prepare and educate themselves by attending professional development trainings for delivery, attending technology conferences, collaborate with other educators, and reflect on feedback to learn as they go. Professional development model has changed by getting teachers 21st century ready. Professional developments are ideal for teachers to learn new ways to teach and engage their students. As the adult learners, they too need to interact an interactive learning environment to make a lasting impact of practice. The delivery of training need to be shy away from the traditional methods. Teachers every day make the decision with learning opportunities and empowering them to deliver creative lessons to promote 21st century learning.